Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on new challenges and adventures. Take a look at the certified pre-owned 21 Ram 1500 TRX Crew Cab in granite crystal metallic with HID headlamps, LED fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, blind spot and cross path detection, LED tail lamps, tow package, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 8,000 miles on the odometer, 12-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temp control, ventilated and heated second row seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof, bed mounted tire carrier by Mopar, 6.2-liter supercharged V8 Hemi engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com. Stock number 8584B.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.